Welcome to EZICHEQ. Did you know EZICHEQ is a web-based platform and is designed like this for one key reason? That's to make safety and basic information instantly accessible to anyone. Whether you're an inspection officer, an auditor, or a member of the public, you can scan an item to instantly view its safety status, see who it belongs to, or who has signed it out. No app downloads, no hassle. Just instant access to critical information, right from your browser. Today, we'll show you how to add EZICHEQ to your mobile home screen, so it looks and feels just like a regular app. We'll cover both Google Chrome and Safari. For Google Chrome, open EZICHEQ and make sure you're logged in. Tap the Share button. It's the square icon with an arrow pointing up at the top right of your screen. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. You can rename the icon if you like, then tap Add. You'll now see the EZICHEQ icon saved right on your home screen. For Safari, open Safari and log in to EZICHEQ. Tap the Share button below the browser bar, the same square with the upward arrow. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Tap Add and you're done. Simple and easy. EZICHEQ, we make digital inspections easy.